Marley Law here at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Today we're taking a look at the 2017 270 Sun Deck. Down here we have a boarding ladder and a fold down step that makes it easy to get in and out of the water while coving out. We also have the gray sea deck flooring option here on the swim deck and on the entryway. We also have a large size sun pad out here that's good for tanning and laying out while coving out. Let's move into the cockpit. Lots of seating here, lots of under seat storage on both sides. We also have the upgraded flooring option with the snap-in infinity. Over here we have the pump out head. We also have underfloor storage here. At the helm, the boat is powered by a 300 horsepower MerCruiser engine. It has approximately 105 hours on it. This boat also has the active trim feature, as well as an upgraded stereo system. Moving forward, we have the fold down armrests. Also more floor storage here. And we also have a bow entry ladder that's easy to access with this fold down door that just folds back. This is the 2017 270 Sun Deck. Once again, my name is Marley Law. Please like this video and subscribe to our page. Thanks.